Hoselock, gardening for life. Do you struggle to spray? Are you fed up with waste? Inaccurate spraying? Then you need a Hoselock garden sprayer. Packed with features, designed by gardeners for gardeners. Made in Great Britain from hard-wearing heavy-duty materials with a wide neck for easy fill and proven to hold higher pressure for quicker spraying. The transparent dosing cup and last use indicator allows accurate, safe use of chemicals. Our last drop system ensures zero wastage. Innovations include the stable foot. Foot grips keep the sprayer stable during pumping. And the weed killer hood. Our weed killer hood keeps the chemical targeted only on the weed. You always have full control over the spray thanks to a strong lance and lockable on-off trigger. The pressure release valve ensures that you can't overpressurize the sprayer and shows red when you have reached maximum pressure. Stay comfortable for longer with our clever 3-in-1 strap. Carry, satchel or knapsack. Simply pump, and when pressurized, the Plus and Pro sprayers will drain every last drop. The Hoselock garden sprayer is the most cost-effective and efficient way of spraying all water-based garden chemicals. Just one 540ml bottle of weed killer and the Hoselock garden sprayer will cover on average the same area as 54 500ml handheld sprayers. The versatile Hoselock garden sprayer can be used to apply a variety of garden chemicals, weed killers, fertilizers, fungicides and insecticides. Each sprayer comes with handy accessories to help you reach, carry, target for selective spraying. The hose and all accessories are stored on board. The Hoselock garden sprayers come in a range to suit every gardener, Standard, Plus and Pro, with up to a 5-year guarantee. All made in Great Britain, full spares and accessories available. Hoselock, gardening for life. The Hoselock garden sprayer. Pick one up in store today.